So I grew up around lawyers. My dad was a lawyer. I knew from an early age that I wanted to be a lawyer from just seeing him as friends and kind of respecting him and respecting what he did, but I wasn't sure exactly what he did or I guess the impact that he could have until I was in college and I was interning at his law office. He had a client that came in and he said something like, "I wanted to thank you, what your dad did. It was so big for me," and I was just being polite. I didn't know what he was talking about at first. And then he sat down next to me and he said that when my dad got him this settlement check, that just a couple weeks before, he said that he only had a couple cans of food left in his pantry for him, his wife, and his son. He said just a couple days after that, the settlement check came in, and he went into the living room and told his wife, "Hey, let's go to the grocery store." And her reaction was, you know, we can't go to the grocery store. What are we going to get there? And he said that we can now. That is something that really hit me because I grew up in a house where it was no problem to go to the grocery store, but for this guy and for what my dad as a lawyer was able to do for him, that was something that was big for him and really made an impact on him. After that, I ended up going to law school in Alabama. I was asking my dad, when it comes to your first year and you're supposed to start finding your clerkships or where you're going to work for the summer, my dad told me about a firm called Beasley Allen, and he showed me the Jerry Beasley reports that were in his office, and he essentially said, this firm is very well respected. It would be a huge opportunity, a huge experience for you to work here. And so I kind of, before Beasley Allen knew who I was, or before anyone knew who I was, I kind of set out that I wanted to work at Beasley Allen.